Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired March 10th, 2025. The topic of that episode was, There is no future heaven. Swami, your thoughts?
The kingdom of heaven is at hand. To see the truth, be divine. To be spirit, step out of time. Graduate from sense to soul by no longer believing in duality, which is found in past, present, and future.
Looking to live in heaven everywhere always? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam